Today, we're diving into one of Bang & Olufsen's most iconic and timeless creations, the Beosound A9. Is this the ultimate luxury speaker? Let's find out. From the very first glance, the A9 is a real head-turner. Its sculptural design stands out. And of course, being a Bang & Olufsen product, the A9 is crafted from only the finest materials. From the polished outer aluminium ring to the luxurious fabric cover, and of course being sat on those elegant solid oak legs. With this level of craftsmanship, the A9 can blend into your home seamlessly, whilst making a bold statement. The A9 is available in a range of fabric colours and finishes, which make, in my opinion, as much a piece of furniture as it is a high-performance speaker. Control of the speaker is intuitive. With just a swipe or a tap on the top surface, you can adjust the volume, change tracks, or pause and play your music effortlessly. The A9 is a speaker that has stood the test of time. And now it's on its 5th generation. The A9 comes with Bang & Olufsen's infamous Mozart chipset. More to come on this in a later video though. Furthermore, the A9 has Bang & Olufsen's multi-room technology built in, so it can be used to spread the sound throughout your home or living space. The Beosound A9 packs an incredible punch, having 1500 watts behind the 7 speaker drivers inside, with a 400 watt Class D amp alone powering the custom 8-inch woofer driver. This enables the A9 to deliver room-filling sound with deep, powerful bass and crystal clear detail. Having Bang & Olufsen's active room compensation technology enables the A9 to adapt to every space and position. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening, you'll hear the artist as if you were in a recording studio with them. With built-in streaming services, Bluetooth, AirPlay 2, and Chromecast is designed to fit in seamlessly to your digital lifestyle, compatible with any device or platform. And of course, with Bang & Olufsen's app, you can personalize your listening experience in just a few simple steps. And if you do want to tailor your sound to your own personal taste, you can. It's now the A9 has Bang & Olufsen's renowned Biosonic equalizer. So if you're a person that prefers your music a bit bassier, or the highest of the highs, you can. So where does the Beosound A9 truly shine? Its versatility is one of its strongest assets. You can floor mount it or wall mount it. You can place it as a statement piece in your living room, integrate it into an open plan kitchen for ambient music, or you can let it fill a bedroom with rich, detailed sound. We have a number of commercial clients as well that use these to fill a welcome foyer full of sound. The Beosound A9 isn't just a speaker, it's an investment in timeless design and extraordinary audio quality. It's aimed at those who want to make their sound system to make as much of a statement as the home itself. So the Beosound A9 is available in 3 standard finishes, both available with dark oak or light oak legs, and then you get your choice of outer aluminium colour, available in either natural aluminium, anthracite or yellow gold, with a fabric cover to suit each finish. So is it the ultimate luxury speaker? For those who value craftsmanship, performance, and a design icon that stands the test of time, the answer is simply a yes. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more of our Bang & Olufsen range. Thanks so much for watching. To book your private appointment today and unlock exclusive in-store benefits, click the link below and experience Bang & Olufsen for yourself.